Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Follow channel. Let's double check the Blur updates targets with my customer care set. Technically, we still not invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model. It's good moment. A second good moment when nobody in media talk about some token and this token underrated. It's good moment for accumulation. Third moment, what is good for Blur can be like speculation. It's 88, almost 90% tokens unlocked. And if we compare with many other fancy layer 1, layer 2, all of these super attached projects, you can open any of them and compare the market capitalization and FDV. You can open the Monad, for example. Monad. This is a brand new one. So 236 million market capitalization, FDV 2.18 billion. So if you don't know the difference between the million and the billion, just Google it. Just Google it and you will be impressed. And take a look at the Blur. I'm not showing you the Blur. I just showed you the metrics, and the data. So now I'm not see any posts about a Blur. Nobody care about it. I don't want to buy this token for the spot because I now focus on a speculation on the futures because I'm done with the spot position with the investments. So I'm done. So technically, we still not invalidate the idea. Is it possible so we will drop and sweep the low in 2026? Yes, of course. Guys, yes, of course. It's so obvious anything can happen in a crypto, right? And we use initiation accumulation pump model. And this all zones are absolutely relevant. So we track this token since February 2023. All zones relevant, so we dump it to the almost to the best zone to buy, reject in the zone of fixation profit, drop it down, again retest, bounce it, drop it down, consolidate inside this level, leave the weekly fair value gap, and drop it down again. Technically, invalidation, it's on the bid get will be if we drop under 1 cent. It's possible, but from now it can be pretty hard drop like 200%. Yes, I understand what I'm talking about because people count like this one. It's totally wrong way to count the drop. Like they think if the token dump from now, for example, 66%, it's not a big deal. Like, we just drop it 66%. A few days, recover back by 30% and I'm out at the break even. No, bro. If we dump from now, 66% drop, you need to see the recover move like around 200%. And it's kind of big difference. Pump 200% and the pump 60%. So count from the bottom to your entry. This is correct how you need to count the percentage gain because the tokens can't drop over than 99.9%. But guys, take a look from this moment. We dump like 94%, right? And for example, from here, we dump at 87. Looks like not a big deal, right? But here, from that top, we dump 96. So from here, we dump at 96. From 44 cents to 2. And from 83, we dump like 96. But it's a big difference, because the 50% between these ranges. All right, I made a post about it. So this is an illusion of influencer who show you always buy the deep because they show you we dump 50%. They tell you buy the deep because the DCA it's solution. It's not a solution. It's a trap. It's a trap for your stable coins. So what now? For the spot, of course, guys, it's still okay. Still okay because let's say $1, it's 2.66 billion market capitalization. $1 price is here, minus 0.61 low fee. It's possible. It's more than real to see. If we will see some hype around the NFT, maybe this gonna be the end of cycle for this token. 2.66 billion market capitalization. The highest point of the market cap was like 1.4 billion. So like twice bigger market cap, but not new all-time high. Honestly, I don't think so. We're going to see the all-time high. It's just also don't pay attention for this kind of weird weeks. It's not a real price. It's just a random listing. All right. These zones now, guys, can be like rejection. So if you want to buy now at 3 cents, at 6, you withdraw initial deposit. This is a plan. After that, fix some 10 cents, 14, 25, 33, leave some tokens, leave free tokens because zero risk after you withdraw initial deposit. You can ride to the moon. You can wait even $5, $10, whatever you want, right? So this is a plan. Now, yes, of course, we underrated, and I hope if 2026 will be positive for the crypto, Blur get a pretty good chances. We are in a crazy accumulation based on weekly time frame on ADZ. It's bullish. Last time we saw the accumulation, not even like this one. In June 24, we bounced it from 13 to 46, 45. Nice one. Direction also in accumulation. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check the first video, what I posted about Blur, so you'll understand the logic why we dump it to that zones. Highly recommend you also, by the way, use the dashboard indicator, just a fresh new one. You can track all 6 indicators in one place on the screen. Just save the time. Market mood, definitely it's capitulation. Monthly, what I don't like, that's why we can drop and sweep the low. It's we're still in euphoria on the market mood, on the monthly. But sooner or later, anyway, guys, we will recover back. Money power, some money in was here at 8 cents and now at 2.50. So approximately that, guys, who accumulate here and here, for example, big guys, big money inflow, their average entry around 6 cents, for example. So it will be not a mistake to fix some profit at 12. And you will see the reaction at definitely in this block. Last 2 indicators trade on. Let's check on a weekly, by the way, here. Yeah, some money inflow. So 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, somebody accumulated a Blur. Last 3 weeks in a row. Trade on buy was here in October 73. Recommendation close position. Now nothing. No buy, no sell. Just neutral. Daily, yes, it was a sell in June. Take profit from the sell, close position, buy. So technically someone speculating intraday. The last most interesting indicator is take profit, guys. Weekly, we saw underrated. We trade under fundamental value. Fundamental value of the Blur now it's 8 cents 16. So believe it or not, but one day we will come back and retest it below and retest the take profit line. Now it's 22.11. All lines are dynamic. Highly recommend you just add alerts and track it. So all alerts you will see in your notification logs. Here, exit line now is 25.41. So technically, yes, Blur now it's so underrated and low cap token. By the way, we almost closed the over the 50% of this week. So it's also the bullish signal. The negative scenario, of course, guys, if we crash it down in 726, something like this one. It's not so hard will be about the price. It's more about so hard for time because people are so tired to see the drops. Take profit on a daily if you would like to speculate intraday. It's 5.92 and exit line 6.71. All targets I showed you, ID explained it you. Highly recommend you go and check the first video when everybody's screaming to the moon. Here, I showed you the zones. Zones absolutely relevant. Invalidation if the token dump under listing price. If the token dump under listing price, this zone of accumulation flip and will be like resistance. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer side and add alerts, like I did, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.